Let me tell you about our latest project, starting here in our spa-inspired master bathroom retreat. We completely reimagined this space from the ground up. We began by updating all of the plumbing and lighting fixtures and adding the wainscot tile around the tub. One of the challenges we discovered is that the window is not centered in the opening, so we shifted the tub and the tile frame to be centered under the window, allowing space for our floor-mounted faucet. Lastly, we completed this custom-tiled shower, which required extensive planning to perfectly align the tile frames around the plumbing fixtures. In the powder bath, we added a 6-foot-high wainscot panel along the walls for a classic elevated look that accentuates the high ceilings. The custom vanity features inset drawers and a 6-inch quartz countertop with an integrated sink. In this bathroom, one of my favorite features is the addition of the marble pencil we used along the edge of the tile, as well as around the niche and down the waterfall mosaic. This space was a complete remodel from top to bottom. We installed a custom wood vanity with a 3-inch thick quartz countertop and Kohler fixtures throughout. The shower features porcelain tile with a glass mosaic detail, finished with a sleek sliding glass barn door. Finally, we have the pool bath. We combined 2 back-to-back bathrooms into one functional space, accessible from the exterior and the interior. We added a trackless barn entry door, a linear drain with floor-to-ceiling tile, and a large expansive mirror accentuated by a modern light fixture. Let us help you design a home you love and will be proud to show off. Call us for your next project.